Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm so happy to have you here. You know how we are, always chasing those design dreams, one project at a time. And today, we're diving headfirst into a topic near and dear to my heart: kitchen backsplashes. Let's be honest, a backsplash isn't just a little detail. It's the personality, the style, the heart of your kitchen. It's that touch of magic that takes a space from functional to flat-out fabulous. And the best part? It doesn't have to break the bank. Whether you're drawn to classic charm, modern elegance, or something in between, this video is your guide to choosing the perfect tile backsplash for your kitchen. We're talking budget-friendly finds, luxurious showstoppers, and everything in between. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. First up, we're starting with a true design workhorse: ceramic tile. This material has been a staple in kitchens for decades, and for good reason. I love ceramic tile for so many reasons. It's not just about the look, but also about the feel and functionality it brings to a space. It's incredibly versatile, durable, and let's be honest, budget-friendly. You can use it in a variety of settings, and it stands up to the wear and tear of daily life. You can find ceramic tiles in every color and pattern imaginable, from crisp whites to bold geometrics. The range of options is truly staggering. If you're drawn to a timeless look, you can never go wrong with classic subway tile. It's a design that has stood the test of time. It's clean, it's classic, and it just works in any kitchen. Whether your style is modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, subway tile fits right in. But don't be afraid to have a little fun with it. There are so many ways to make subway tile your own. You can lay subway tile in a herringbone pattern for a touch of visual interest, or even choose a colored grout to make those white tiles pop. The possibilities are endless. Now, if you're feeling a little bolder, patterned ceramic tiles are a fantastic way to inject personality into your kitchen. They can transform a simple space into something truly unique. Think Moroccan-inspired designs, floral patterns, or even geometric prints. These designs can add a global flair or a modern twist to your kitchen. The possibilities are truly endless. You can mix and match to create a look that's entirely your own. One of my favorite things about ceramic tile is how easy it is to clean. It's perfect for those of us who love to cook but hate the cleanup. Just a little soap and water, and you're good to go. No need for harsh chemicals or special cleaners. Perfect for busy kitchens like mine. Whether you're cooking for a family or hosting a dinner party, ceramic tile can handle it all. And here's a pro tip. If you really want to make your ceramic tile backsplash shine, choose a contrasting grout color. It can make a world of difference. It'll highlight the shape of the tiles and add a whole other layer of visual interest. It's a small detail that can have a big impact. Trust me, it makes all the difference. You'll be amazed at how something as simple as grout color can change the entire look of your kitchen. Whether you go for classic white or something with a little more personality, ceramic tile is a fantastic option for a kitchen backsplash that's both stylish and practical. It's a choice you won't regret. Next up, let's talk about glass tile. If you're looking to brighten up your kitchen and make it feel larger, glass tile is your new best friend. It's like magic. The way it reflects light is just incredible. One of my favorite things about glass tile is the sheer variety. You can find it in every color under the sun, from soft blues and greens to rich ambers and reds. And the finishes. You can go for a sleek and modern look with clear glass, or add a touch of vintage charm with frosted or iridescent tiles. For a truly luxurious look, consider mosaic glass tiles in a gradient pattern. Start with a darker shade at the bottom and gradually transition to a lighter shade at the top. It creates such a stunning, ethereal effect. And here's a pro tip to really maximize the light-reflecting properties of glass tile: pair it with under-cabinet lighting. It'll create a warm and inviting glow that makes your kitchen feel absolutely magical. Now, I know what you're thinking. Glass tile, isn't that a pain to clean? But honestly, it's not as bad as you might think. A little glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth and your backsplash will sparkle like new. So if you're dreaming of a bright and airy kitchen, glass tile is definitely worth considering. Now, if you're looking for a backsplash that's as unique as you are, natural stone is the way to go. Each piece of natural stone is like a fingerprint. No two are exactly alike. This means that your kitchen will have a truly unique and personal touch that can't be replicated. There's just something so special about the way each piece tells a story, with its own unique veining and texture. These natural variations add depth and character, making your kitchen not just a functional space but a work of art. It's like bringing a little piece of nature into your home. The organic feel of natural stone can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, making your kitchen a place where everyone wants to gather. Marble is a classic choice for a reason. Its timeless beauty and elegance have been admired for centuries. It's elegant, it's timeless, and it just exudes sophistication. Whether you're going for a modern or traditional look, marble can seamlessly fit into any design. For a softer, more understated look, go for honed marble. This finish gives the stone a smooth, matte appearance that is both subtle and refined. It has a beautiful matte finish that's both elegant and inviting. Honed marble is perfect for those who appreciate a more muted, yet still luxurious aesthetic. If you prefer a bit more shine, polished marble is the way to go. The polished finish enhances the natural beauty of the stone, making it gleam and catch the light. It has a luxurious, almost reflective quality that's sure to make a statement. Polished marble can add a touch of glamour and sophistication to any kitchen. Granite is another fantastic option for a natural stone backsplash. Known for its durability and strength, granite can withstand the hustle and bustle of a busy kitchen. It's incredibly durable and comes in a wide range of colors and patterns. From deep blacks to vibrant reds, there's a granite to match any kitchen decor. From subtle speckles to dramatic veining, there's a granite out there for every style. This versatility makes granite a popular choice for homeowners looking to add a touch of natural beauty to their kitchens. And don't forget about other natural stone options like limestone, travertine, and slate. Each of these stones offers its own unique aesthetic and charm. Each one has its own unique beauty and character. Limestone has a soft, earthy appeal, travertine brings a rustic charm, and slate offers a bold, dramatic look. Now here's a pro tip for keeping your natural stone backsplash looking its best. Regular maintenance is key to preserving its beauty. Be sure to seal it regularly to prevent stains. Sealing creates a protective barrier that helps keep the stone looking pristine. Natural stone is porous, so it's important to protect it from spills and splatters. A well-sealed backsplash will be easier to clean and maintain. A little bit of maintenance goes a long way. With proper care, your natural stone backsplash will continue to look stunning for years to come. So if you're drawn to the beauty of imperfection and want a backsplash that's truly one of a kind, natural stone is the perfect choice. Embrace the natural variations and let your kitchen tell its own unique story. With natural stone, you're not just adding a backsplash, you're adding a piece of art to your home. Now, if you're going for a more industrial chic vibe in your kitchen, let's talk about metal tiles. These tiles are not just a functional element. They can be a statement piece that transforms the entire look and feel of your kitchen. They're sleek, they're modern, and they add a touch of unexpected glamour. The reflective quality of metal tiles can make your kitchen appear larger and more open, which is a great bonus if you're working with a smaller space. One of the things I love most about metal tiles is their durability. Unlike other materials that might chip or crack over time, metal tiles are built to last. They're heat resistant, which is perfect for behind the stove, and they can really stand up to wear and tear. This makes them an excellent choice for busy kitchens where cooking is a daily activity. Plus, they're incredibly easy to clean. Just wipe them down with a damp cloth and they'll look good as new. This low-maintenance aspect is a huge plus for anyone with a hectic lifestyle. When it comes to style, the options with metal tiles are pretty much endless. From sleek and modern to rustic and vintage, there's a metal tile designed to suit every taste. You can go for a classic industrial look with brushed stainless steel, which offers a timeless appeal and matches well with most kitchen appliances, or add a touch of warmth with copper or brass. These metals can bring a cozy, inviting feel to your kitchen, making it a space where people want to gather. And don't be afraid to mix and match different metals for a truly unique look. Combining different finishes and colors can create a stunning, eclectic design that stands out. One of my favorite ways to use metal tiles is to create a focal point in the kitchen. This could be a feature wall or a striking backsplash that draws the eye. Consider using a mix of different shapes and sizes to create a dynamic and eye-catching design. This approach adds depth and texture, making your kitchen truly one of a kind. And here's a pro tip. If you're worried about metal tiles feeling too cold or industrial, try pairing them with warmer elements like wood countertops or open shelving. The combination of metal and wood creates a beautiful balance and makes your kitchen feel warm and inviting. It's a perfect blend of modern elegance and rustic charm. It'll create a beautiful balance and make your kitchen feel warm and inviting. This harmonious mix can make your kitchen the heart of your home. So, if you're ready to add a touch of industrial chic to your kitchen, metal tiles are definitely worth considering. They offer a unique blend of style, durability, and ease of maintenance. With so many options available, you're sure to find the perfect metal tile design to elevate your kitchen's aesthetic. Happy decorating! And finally, let's talk about a game changer for renters and DIY enthusiasts alike: peel and stick tiles. These beauties are incredibly versatile, easy to install, and best of all, they're incredibly budget-friendly. You can completely transform your kitchen without breaking the bank. One of the things I love most about peel and stick tiles is the sheer variety of styles available. You can find everything from faux marble and subway tile to concrete and metallic finishes. It's amazing how realistic these tiles look. And the best part? Installation is a breeze. No messy grout, no special tools required. Just peel off the backing and stick the tiles directly to your wall. It's so easy, you can even do it yourself in a weekend. Peel and stick tiles are also a fantastic option for renters who want to personalize their space without making permanent changes. When it's time to move, simply peel off the tiles and your landlord will never know they were there. And here's a pro tip. Before you start sticking, make sure your walls are clean, dry, and free of any grease or debris. This will ensure that your tiles adhere properly and stay put for years to come. So if you're looking for a quick, easy, and affordable way to update your kitchen backsplash, peel and stick tiles are definitely worth checking out. Well, there you have it, friends. Those are some of my favorite proven tile backsplash ideas for the kitchen. I hope this video has given you plenty of inspiration for your own kitchen renovation or refresh. Remember, your backsplash is an opportunity to add personality and style to your kitchen, so don't be afraid to have a little fun with it. Choose materials and colors that you love, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and ideas. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which backsplash idea was your favorite. I love hearing from you. Until next time, happy designing!